Hi, we're Owen, Lynn and Maggie of Van Trekking Lifestyle, and we're at James Island County Park near Charleston, South Carolina for something pretty special.
We're celebrating their Festival of Lights, and we wanted to share with you just a little bit of the holiday spirit today. We hope you have a very, very Merry Christmas.
And a Happy New Year. We'll be back with you again sometime in early 2024. File this under the things you don't see every day. I need to ask the guys.
It's a Jeep.
If it actually floats or you drive it or what. That's really cool.
I want to go see inside, though.
You lost your skier about a mile back.
All right. It's pretty cool. Where's Maggie? Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas, guys.